Got this pretty cool headset in the mail. Bluetooth gaming. I'm not really fond of Bluetooth gaming headsets. There's a lot of static in it. I do like wireless ones. I just wish Bluetooth could come along and be as clear as other headsets. But this is 5.2 Bluetooth, I guess. I don't know. They go on and on about their different stuff. Just tell me what works and what's not going to annoy my friends. So I'm going to do a test on this. My friend doesn't know I bought this. I'm going to join the party and see what he thinks of it. Most likely it's probably going to be quiet because these don't go down to your mouth area like a regular boom mic, but they just look so cool. Wanted to try them out. If they don't work, you can always return them on Amazon. Link is in the description below. They had like a gray green or a yellow. Yeah, there's the two colors. Most of it's in like Japanese. There ain't much, it looks Japanese. It's not English. 5 volt, 30 milliamp hour. That's really small. I don't quite know if it's really 320. 320 must be the case that it's in. It even opened really cool. So I was like, I gotta try this out. The side looked pretty cool, kind of like a battlefield scene. And that's about all I can read on the back because I don't know what all that other stuff is. It has no reviews right now on Amazon too. So hopefully I'm not the first tester. That's how it came. That's all that was in the box. Esports game headset, it says on the front. Has a nice little reflection to it. Looks like chrome. So I'm going to be using this on the Steam Deck. I already have a good enough headset for my desktop. Here is the manual. Just looking to see what I need to really show you and what I don't. That's all foreign. This looks like the manual that you need to read. If you guys want to read it, pause it, screenshot it, and then read it. It's really hard to read, but it's super cool that it's not just a standard. Is it the same picture on both sides? Whoa! Oh, it's so cute. I just got my first look at it. I have owned Alienware computers in the past, so immediately this was like, oh my gosh, it looks like an Alienware. USB-C, USB-A to USB-C. Most likely the C is what's going to be charging it. Looks like about a 3-foot cable. This thing is so cool looking. I'm going to put it to the side. That's all that's in there. It's in there really good. So if they had rough shipping, I think it would have survived. So far I'm very impressed with how it looks. Look at that. That is just so cool. I'm going to shut my light off just so you get the natural colors. USB-C in the back. The hinges are both there. It's going to have lights, so it says. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. So another problem I have is I normally need over-the-ear type of headphones, and these aren't. So hopefully these can fit my ear pretty well. There's the charge ports instead of them being down in there where all your earwax builds up. Looks like they fit so perfectly. Now do I shut them in it? So if I open the left one, yeah, somehow it knows it's opening. Must use a type of magnet. Let's see if it changes its color once we put one of these in. Oh, that's big. That's nice. Doesn't come with any other type of cover. It's not foam or anything. Looks like that may hold a lot of oh, I can hear it doing something. That'll hold a lot of earwax, no matter if you clean your ear or not. They feel really strong. Looking for the microphone. That little tiny dot right there. That's gonna be your microphone. Again, if you watch the full video, I'm going to be tricking my friend, just being like, hey, how you doing? I'm not even gonna tell him I got a different mic. Now, this being so far from your mouth, and it not being on the end, it's definitely going to feel distant. That looks like it could light up. Let's put them in and see what they do. So they flash, and the case goes like that when you shut it when they're charging. This is so cool. It's almost like a have to have. So if I open this back up, they probably will start flashing. Nope, they're just going real slow. Doesn't really tell you how close they are to being finished. I'm sure in the instructions it tells me if it's blinking at a certain speed, that's just so cool. Well, I'll get them paired to the Steam Deck, and then we will see if I can fool my friends. Hopefully they're good, because these things are pretty cool looking. Thanks for watching. It didn't take too long to charge up. Let's see what they look like now that they're done. Well, they could be top and back off because I just opened them and closed them back. Set them right there. We're gonna go ahead and pair them. I don't know what they're gonna come up. Hopefully I don't have too many devices in the house to where we have a problem. I am on Windows 11. Add a device. I'm going to take both of them out. I'm going to put them in my ear because you guys can't really hear, even if I put it up against it. I'm the one that wants to hear it, not you guys. Well, you guys do want to hear it, but... Okay. All my stuff's popping up. Okay, Bluetooth. Looks like a GS6 is probably going to be the audio. Clicking on it. It connected, but some girl started talking to me in Japanese. Why? Hey, why? I don't know what she just said, but she wasn't English, so it probably said connected. Let's go into Discord, which is where we're going to be messing with my friend. Let's go ahead and open the recorder in case it has an update. Let's go down here and right here. Make sure it's on the GS6. Hello, hello. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to myself and see if it's any good. Test video, where can you... Oh, let's check. Testing. 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 Okay, that sounds like freaking crap, but we'll go check it out. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my recorder right now. Let's go ahead and set that up. Hello, hello. We gotta change my mic over to G6. It should be making a little line right there. We gotta change theirs over to G6. That way it picks up everything. We might as well do desktop audio. He says he's sharing his screen. Shows that. So let's go in and see what the first impressions are. Let's go ahead and click record. I was trying to click the record button at the same time. I hope I got it. I don't really want to make him much bigger. We're just going to leave it like that and edit it later. Let's go see what he says about this mic. I think there's 2 people in there. Hopefully they aren't sharing anything I'm not allowed to say. Probably watching South Park or something. Oh, let's turn his camera back on. He is watching desktop. Hello?
Hello.
Oh. What are you guys up to?
I'm making a sandwich. Lee's on the toilet.
Oh, jeez.
Well, I wanted to get him, not you. What does this mic sound like?
Sounds alright.
Am I really close? Because I recorded myself and then listened to it, and it sounded awful with the Discord.
Sounds awful, but you're not quiet.
It sounds awful.
Not that bad though. I've heard worse.
Was last night's audio worse than this?
Yeah.
Oh, it was. You
Mhm.
gotta see, you gotta see this micro or this. It's earbuds, but they're alien looking things. They go into a case that glows like an alien and all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. I was
Oh
hoping
wow.
he would be here. He's the one that tells people if their mic is shitting or not. I'll have to Facebook call him. I'll be back. Let's go Facebook call him. I don't even know if you can Facebook call. He's the one I can trust. Will they go through the headset? It's going through the wrong one. Okay, so he ain't gonna talk. So let's go and find the recorder. Although you guys can hear me right now through it. This whole part, I'm gonna mute the GoPro, which is watching, and I'm going to talk to you guys through Discord through this. Yeah, right here. Don't mind the volume because it goes up or down, but you guys can hear how clear it is. 100% this is that microphone. The way he sounded, he came through pretty well. He wouldn't answer.
I don't know whether he took his phone with him.
Yeah, he took his phone with him. He just texted me no.
Oh.
Dang it. Oh, I can send a voice clip. Your voice is being used somewhere else. Oh, fucking hell, I gotta leave again. Where are you, lad? I can't see you. Where are you, lad? I can't see you. Okay, that sounds really good. I didn't think that sounded too bad. I think it's using the where's gaming at? Oh, it's choosing that. There we go, microphone. This device is currently in use. Changing the priorities may cause it to use. Hello, hello. Okay. Now let's go send him a message. I know, but I came in here to talk to you. I know, but I came in here to talk to you. I don't think that sounded any different. I think it sounded pretty clear. They're kind of expensive for the clarity I have. I was talking to him about the night before. I had regular headphones that weren't 2.5 or whatever, or 5.2 Bluetooth, and I was using them, and there was a lot of static, especially when you connected more than one device. So I guess that's going to be it because he's on the toilet, he claims. Okay. He's the one that's honest. He'd be like, nope, shit. Thanks for watching.